your introduction. And also thank you that you remember my birthday, my birthday yesterday. So thank you so much for another day, another year of my life. So that's a blessing. So tonight I'm going to share the 8 steps to success. Okay, would you please, Jensen, share my screen? Jensen is my son-in-law. Okay, so I'm Richard from the Philippines. So I'm doing business here in Philippines. So I just arrived 3 months ago from Korea. I've been there in Korea for 2 years. Then, as I've said many times, I met Atomy through my sponsors, Korean sponsors. And when I arrived here in Philippines, I continued to do the business and invite my Filipino friends and my partners to join the business. So I become sales master through the help also of my sponsors and helping our team, my team here in Philippines and my team there in Korea. So tonight, as I said, I'm going to share to you the 8 steps to success. Next slide, please. So add to me 8 steps to success. This a organized system from our CEO, Hangul Park. He also emphasizes the importance of these steps towards success because the aim and the desire of our CEO, Hangul Park, that all partners, all consumers will become successful in doing the business, right? So that's a good thing here in Atomy because we are helping each other to become successful. And we have this so-called organized system in Atomy. Okay, so next slide, please. So we have here the 8 steps to success, wherein the first step is firm goal setting. So if you're not too familiar with this, so you can write it down or you can screenshot for you to remember this. And then step 2, commitment or resolute decision. And then step 3, acquainted name listing. And then number 4, invitation to Atomy system. Then number 5, step 5, business explanation. And then 6, follow up. We call that subsequent conditioning. And 7, business counseling. And then 8 is duplication of mentor or leaders in our business. Okay, next slide, please. Of course, number one here among the 8 steps to success is number one is dream. So I know you have all your dreams, your goal. We call that firm goal setting. This is what you want to achieve in life. So actually, we are also encouraged here in Atomy to write down our dreams, especially here in our life scenario. If you have your life scenario, I have my life scenario. I presented this life scenario the time I give my speech on my sales mastership in Orot, in our main center of Atomy in Korea. So I write down my dream here in life scenario. I hope you have this because it will empower us to dream more and to achieve. So you have to write down your dream. We call that having a firm goal setting. This is what you want to achieve in life. It's very important because it's like a fuel, no? Like in the car. So we need the fuel to run. Also, the same concept in our lives. So with your dream, you are empowered. You are driven with that, and then to become successful, of course. Next slide, please. So with that, next slide. So with that dream, what we have, I know you have your dream, right? So as I've said, if you already wrote down in your life scenario, it's very important. You know what? This life scenario, my dream here, I always carry it in my bag every time I visited my friend and talk about Atomy. And then I discuss this one. This is my dream. I want to achieve this because it's empower us in doing the business. So this how to plan to achieve. Of course, you have to plan to achieve it. Okay, so you have to do your best in achieving your dream, and then your dream will push yourself to achieve. No, of course, this is the preparation. No, prepare to start. Okay, so you have the target, you have your dream to achieve in life. So like me, so I have I have a dream. I continue to remember it. So every time I read my life scenario, I was being empowered because this is my like a fuel in the car that pushed me to move forward in doing the business. Okay, so that's number one. This is your firm goal setting or you have dream. Okay, so in life it's very important to start with a dream. Okay, so next slide, please. Of course, number two, among the 8 steps to success is commitment. Commitment is about your determination. You are determined to achieve your goal. Of course, if you have your goal, so you are committed to do that. Of course, it's very important to have an action. You have to take the action to achieve your goal. We call that commitment even in times of difficulties. I know it's not easy to do the business. Okay, talking about people, you have to discuss about the business. So it's not easy, but if you are determined to do that, so you can surpass all the hardships and challenges. Because I believe all successful people are risk taker. Or for me, I use the word challenge taker. We have to face all the challenges to become successful. We call that determination. You are determined to become successful. Of course, you have to take action. We call that resolute decision. Okay, so it's very important that you decide with confidence that you never give up, even in hard times. Okay, uh, continue to do your best. We call that number two in our 8 steps to success is about your commitment or determination. Continue to do the action. Okay, so next slide. So among that commitment is that your action should be consistent. Okay, so your action should be consistent. Because in this number two, under that, commitment is about your action. Okay? Action is very important here in Atomy business. So keep on doing action every day. Invite people, okay? Continue to do your business, grow your line, grow your lineage, and of course, continue to use the products that is part of having action, and then continue to add more PB in your account. Okay, so that's part of doing the action. So action should be consistent, continuous. Okay, so don't stop, but continue to do that every day and empower other people as well, your group. Okay, so to do the action, it should be consistent. It's very important. Okay, because as I said here in my PPT, action is very important here in Atomy business. Okay, so that's number two. Okay, commitment. Okay, next in this line, and remember our part of our slogan this year 2026, our slogan is about speed of decision. Okay, so not slow. So continue to do your best with speed up. Okay, it's somehow like you're driving a car to have to accelerate to speed up. Okay, speed of decision and absolute immersion. You have to continue to dive in, immerse yourself to the system. That's how here in Atomy works. Okay, in other words, you have to plug in to the system. That's part of our slogan this year, 2026 in Atomy. Okay, so next slide, please. So number three, because we have here talking about the 8 steps to success. Number two of that is name listing. Of course, very important to list down all your contact person. Okay, so for you to grow your line, of course, the first part of that is to list down all the names of your well-known people, your friends, maybe family members. For me, I wrote down here all the names. I have here the Atomy notebook. I hope you have also. If you don't have this one, so you can use a notebook, other notebook for you to remember and not to lost your record. So I have wrote down all the names of the people that I want to join in the business. Every time I met some people, I met them on the streets or wherever. So I wrote down their names, of course, their personal information. It's very important to write down for you to always remember them. Okay. And then that's how giving importance in our business. Because here in business, like 8 steps of success, it's part of organizing our business. Okay. So if you're truly a businessman and businesswoman, you are being organized in what you do. Okay, that's part of the system here. We are taught in the system of Atomy that to be organized. Okay, so if you don't have this one, so you can use other notebook. But for me, I have here an Atomy notebook, and then I list down all the names of the people, contact person, and then information for me to remember them. Okay, and have time to contact them. So it starts by listing their names. Okay, so actually it's very easy. You have your friends maybe in another other countries, so you can list down and then have time to contact them and tell them about Atomy. Okay, so you can list down all the names. It's very easy, right? But this system will teach us to be organized businesswoman and businessman. Okay, so now that's number three. Okay, next slide, please. So about name listing, it's about building a team. So why you list down their names? Because you want to build a team. Next slide, Johnson. So this is how we build our team, our line. Okay, so we are number three, not yet number four. Yeah, that's right. So name listing because you have to build a team. So like that, if you see on our PPT, you have to build your line, no, left group and right group. So you can do that strategically by going straight line, and then another partner will do the right group, the right lineage. So this how you uh going to do in the business. Now going straight line. No, maybe on your left are all your family members, and then on your right are all your friends, something like that, to organize your listing and your lineage. So for you to manage easily your group. Okay, so like for example, just an example, but the most important thing, also I learned this from my sponsors. Once you put the name, and your lineage should be going straight. Your partners will do on their part on the right lineage. Okay, so that's how it works here for you to do the system well. Okay, and easy to manage your group. Okay, as I've said, you have to group your people on your left, maybe all your family members, and then on your right are all your friends, something like that. Okay, so that's how I learned also from my sponsors there in Korea. Okay, so building a team. And then through that listing of names, you can create a strong lineage. Yung kibudo, our kibudo or our lineage in our group. So you can create a strong lineage. It's very important. So why you list down their names so you can follow through. So this is my friend. So you can put them there. So on how you manage in doing the business. It's not just listing the names by, but have to monitor your lineage. It's very important, okay, because you are building a team, okay, through left and right, okay, and then you are creating a strong lineage. Okay, that's number three, name listing. Okay, next slide. So number four is to invite. Of course, after you list down all the names, just invite them. So this how not just to invite, but to invite them to Atomy system. So invite them to seminars, invite them to Zoom meetings. So because that's how they started to understand about Atomy. Okay, send them a Zoom link, so whenever you have meeting, okay, so you can send and invite people through this system. Okay, so invitation is very important. You can use social media, okay, through maybe you are using Facebook, okay, you are using Instagram, so we call that social media, okay. So or you can use flyers and etc. Actually, I also uh, make pliers here, small pliers. So every time my partners go out and share about Atomy, so we have pliers. Okay, so small pliers. So we wrote down here in Philippine word that's to ask them if they want to have an income. Like for example, here, do you want an extra income? So join Atomy because this is free, something like that. So you can create. So in doing the business, you are required to be creative. Okay, I know we are great thinker. We are creative because we are businesswoman and businessmen, right? So invite. So you can use your social media. So as I said earlier, Facebook, whatever. In Korea, we are using Kakao Talk. Okay, so many. So there are many ways for us to invite people. And then, as I've said, here in Philippines, we are also using flyers. Or you can, if you have your catalog, you can hand a catalog to other people. You can write down there your contact number or calling cards. So something like that, business cards. That's part of invitation. Okay, so because it is how we do it seriously, our business. Okay, so do your business well and be creative. Okay, so creative in our thinking on how to promote our business, right? Because we are the one to be a model in our business, right? So that's number four, to invite. Okay, next slide, please. Part of that, of course, as business partners, to invite them to be as your business partners, not just consumers, but as business partners. And you know what? As many as you can, because here in Atomy, our lineage is unlimited. So it's very important to grow your line because our business, so you can invite many as you can. You can add more people because our business in Atomy, our lineage is unlimited, right? Did you hear me right? So it's very important to invite because there are many people doesn't know yet about Atomy. So you invite them, send them a Zoom link or whatever that they must understand about Atomy, or you can send them our YouTube, okay, the about our CEO Hangul Park's lecture and many of our lecturers globally. So you can send them. So maybe based on their own language, no? If you are from this country, so you can search uh, the country's YouTube according to the language. So here in Philippines also we have our translated Filipino YouTube. Okay, so with our speakers from Philippines to promote the Atomy. This is how way of inviting people. Okay, next slide, please. So we are now in the 5 steps to success. Of course, it's about present. So business presentation. It's very important that To invite people, you have to present the business with clear and understandable. So it means that we as businesswomen and businessmen, we truly understand about Atomy because it's very important to explain and present the business with clarity to people once you understand your business. Of course, we study about the company, we study about the compensation plan. So here in our Atomy business, keep on learning. Don't stop learning. That's a secret here. Continue to learn. If it doesn't know, so keep on learning. Watch YouTube. So we have a lots of materials here in Atomy. As I've said, our Atomy company are well organized. We have lots of materials. We have a lots of speakers, lecturers that we can learn from them in our own language. Okay, here in Philippines, we have a lots of YouTube speakers from here in Philippines. So one way of presenting the business. It's very difficult to present the business if you don't know what's the business you are presenting with. So it means you yourself study first, learn the company, learn the business, learn the products. Of course, that's why we are all businessmen and businesswomen. We try first the products. And after you try and experience, that's the time you present to other people. You know what? I use this product and it's very good. So it all starts from yourself because it's very difficult to present to other people if you don't experience first in yourself. Just try it to yourself first and then share and present to other people. Okay, because you yourself first experience that. Okay, so with clear and understandable because you yourself study and learn from all the products. Okay, you know what? We have all the presentation also of products in Atomy. So it means we are encouraged to learn and keep on learning. Okay, because here in number five, uh, we need to present it with clarity and understandable. Okay, so like for example, you are doing a presentation also. So do it with clear PPT. So be creative also in doing PPT because it's also very important, especially if you are presenting in a setting that there are people and then you are using PPT. So as businessman and businesswoman, you are also be creative in doing PPT. So maybe if you are not yet techy or difficult for you, you can ask help from your sponsors, from your partners, uh, who can do best. Okay, so because here in Atom Business, we are helping each other to grow and become successful, right? So present is very important. Okay, so next slide. So among the presentation that we have, of course, to present is to explain the business. So you can explain the business to your partners, to the people who ask. So it's very easy for you to explain because you yourself experience and study well. Okay, so once people will ask you about this, so you can explain about the business. You can explain about the company's introduction. You can explain what is the benefit of Hemohim because you study about that. You can explain about the benefit of Absolute because you study about the Absolute product. So what I mean, so keep on learning. So in Korea, we have more or less 600 kinds of products. So you can study all of that because the time your partners will ask what is the benefit of this, so you can explain. So here in Philippines we have only here about 100 kinds of products, so not all products are available here in Philippines. So we keep on learning on that, so that's very important. This is how you explain the business. Of course it's very important to plug in to Atomy system. What does it mean? So you have to adapt and embrace all the system of Atomy for you to become successful. So this 8 step success is part of that. That we need to immerse ourselves. okay, in learning, and we call that plug in. Okay, so to Atomy system, that's keep on learning. Okay, so all the Sajang names, all the successful people here in Atomy are those so plug in themselves to Atomy system. Okay, so next line, we are now here in number six. Of course, after you invite, no, explain everything about Atomy. Of course, you have to follow up your invited people. Okay, we call that subsequent conditioning. So you have to follow up them, ask them what they learn about. Like for example, if you invite your friend, maybe here in our Zoom meeting, so after that, so you can follow up them. We have here 48 hours rule. So don't let pass the 48 hours. So that is 2 days, right? Because one day is how many of that? Okay, so 24 hours. So 2 days you have to follow up. Okay, so and then ask them what they learned. So for them to remember what they understand about Atomy business. Okay, follow up. Okay, it's very easy. You can call or you can send a message through Messenger, or in Korea you use Kakao Talk, or maybe so also. So there are many ways to follow up your invited person, invited people, invited friends, family members. So within 48 hours, okay? So for them to remember what they learned in our Zoom meeting, maybe you invited them to success seminar. So that's the time to follow up and ask them what they learned or what they experienced. If, for example, you handed them sunscreen and then use the sunscreen and then ask them, how was it? So what did you feel about the product? Something like that. This we call that follow up. You can do a phone call, no message. So there are many ways to do that. Okay, so that's follow up. Okay, that's number six. Then next line. So follow up. It means don't forget to follow up your prospects and invited person. So don't forget. Always remember. That's why it's very important also to write down their names. As I've said, you have your notebook. I have your Atomy notebook. I write down the names of those people who join and then I follow up them. So I cannot forget, because sometimes we had forgotten all those things because maybe you are so busy doing these things, doing those things. So sometimes you had forgotten all that. So, but by using your organized, maybe your organized organizer, you have your notebook and many things, or maybe you have your schedules there. So in your office, so you can do that. So be organize and do it well because we are all businessmen and businesswomen, right? So you start organizing yourself in doing the business. Okay, so follow up. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, that's number seven is consult. So I call that it's like a business counseling. Okay, discuss something with your sponsors and partners. So talk about that. So if there are some things that maybe you don't really understand well, and then ask. No, it's because that consultation, it's somehow like you ask something and discuss with your sponsors and your partners to talk about. For example, if you go through the challenge, Sales Master Challenge, so you consult and ask how. So somehow like give time to talk to your sponsors, to your partners, ask them. So how's the business? How is it doing well? So maybe they are facing difficulty. So as leader, as sponsor, you are there to help them and encourage them if there are hard times they are facing. So that's a good thing here in Atomy business because we are helping each other, right? So as leader, don't forget also to consult, to ask, okay, and discuss something with your sponsors. So that's one thing also I really like here in Atomy business. So the time I'm there in Korea, so with my sponsors, so we discuss something. So the time of my sales master challenge, we talk a lot. So discuss something. If I don't really understand this part, so I ask them. So that's how we call that, like business counseling. Okay, talking each other and understand and willing to impart knowledge. So we call that consult. Okay, so next slide. Of course, to consult is to make a dialogue. Okay, you have to talk, to discuss, to open up something. If it is hard for you, so what are the easiest way? So there, what are some ways that you can do to do that, to accomplish? So you can ask, especially those who are in higher rank. Okay, so all their experiences can be a tool for us to also help us. Okay, so it's very important also to ask questions. Don't be shy to ask questions if you don't understand. Okay, so make a dialogue, ask questions to your sponsors, also ask to your partners, so what you can help them, so what you can do to make their business grow. So because here we are helping each other, that's part of consultation. Okay, so that's number 7. Okay, next slide please. We're about to finish here. This is number 8, the last step to success. We call that replicate, or in other words, it's duplicate. Okay, to replicate. So it's about duplicating yourself to others. Okay, so if you are hardworking in your business, so you have to duplicate uh, to other people also to become hardworking, not to become lazy. Okay, so but to become hardworking in doing the business. Okay, so it's about duplicating yourself to others. So this is very important also here in Atomy because we are imparting knowledge. So duplicating yourself. Like for example, me, I'm so grateful that I met Miguel, my partners. I duplicate myself. We talk a lot, so we met and discuss. So I duplicate myself. So even though I'm here now in Philippines and Miguel there is still in Korea, so he can manage our team, even though I'm here in Philippines now. So because I already duplicating myself to Miguel, my partner, there in Korea, and then Miguel also duplicate himself to other partners like Donita and many others there in Korea. So because that's how also I learned from our sponsors. So to replicate yourself to your partners, impart knowledge. Like for example, last time I visited Mindanao, so we have here Sheila, my partner in Mindanao, and June. So I duplicate myself to them. I spend there 1 week to duplicate myself to them. So when I visited Mindanao, so that's how we work here in Atomy Business. Spend time with your partners. Okay, spend time with your partners. Okay, so next slide, please. So it is like replicating or duplicating is like mentoring. Okay, it's like mentoring. You are imparting knowledge to your team. Teach them. Okay, encourage them, empower them. So for them to be successful, you are like a coach. You're coaching. So mentoring, teaching them. Okay, so impart your knowledge. Okay, so like duplicating yourself. Okay, so do your best. So your line also will do their best. So that's how you impart. And I really appreciate when I'm there in Korea. So I really inspired by my Korean sponsors. You know what? Korean sponsors in general, no. So they are very hardworking. I was so inspired by them. So for 2 years, I joined the Atomy business. Oh wow, it's a great experience because all Korean sponsors that I met, so they are very hardworking. Every night time they're doing their business well. So thank you so much, all my partners and sponsors. So you are so great. So that's how I learned here in Atomy business. That's why I also duplicating myself. As I now here in Philippines, I duplicate myself to my partners. Okay, so to do the business well. So keep on duplicating yourself through mentoring, teaching, imparting knowledge to your team. Okay, so that's very important. And I'm so grateful for my team, although we are facing a lot of struggles, but with all our hearts in doing the business, we can surpass and overcome all challenges. to become successful. To become successful, you are risk taker and challenge taker. Okay, so that's very important. All Sajang names, uh, keep on doing your business, fighting, aja aja. So next slide, please. So I think I finished here. Thank you, Hamsamida, to all our sponsors. I'm grateful to have you guys and all our partners around the world. So fighting, aja aja. Thank you.